Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Mumbai University PRN number. First, navigate to the Mumbai University pre-admission online registration portal. You will need a stable internet connection and about 20 minutes of undisturbed time for the initial steps. Have your 12-digit pre-admission form number ready, as this is crucial for beginning the application. Ensure you are using the most current version of your web browser for optimal performance. Once on the portal, locate the PRN generation section. Here, you will enter your unique 12-digit pre-admission form number and your exact date of birth to proceed. The system will then display your pre-filled details, including your name, course, and college. It is absolutely vital to verify that all this information is 100% accurate before moving forward. For the next step, you must upload scanned copies of your required documents. This typically includes a recent passport-sized photograph, your signature, and copies of your 10th and 12th standard mark sheets. Make sure each image is sharp and legible, with a resolution of at least 300 dots per inch. Uploading high-quality, clear documents helps prevent delays in the verification process. After successfully uploading your documents, you will proceed to the payment section. The PRN processing fee is usually a small amount, often 50 rupees, payable online. You can choose from several secure payment options, including debit cards, credit cards, or net banking facilities. Once payment is confirmed, take one final, thorough look at your complete application to ensure everything is perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.